Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm in my shed today. As you probably know, if you follow me, I like to display things in groups, and I think trays are a very good way to do that. Create small group of objects to display. I have quite a few around the house. I want to try and make one myself today. I got this pallet where the wood burner was delivered as you can see, it has very small narrow slats rather than the much wider ones that usually the big industrial pallets. So I'm going to try and dismantle this and try to make a tray. My little tray is done, and because it's Christmas, I'm going to use it as a centerpiece for the dining table. So I have a selection of things that I think it will work. So I'm going to start to lay them up. And you can do whatever way you want. There's no right or wrong. You can just put some foliage and some candles and it will look beautiful on its own. I go a bit mad. I do a lot of bits. I also got some pieces of wood, and that is just to create height for small pieces like my little red truck. So I think I'm going to lay them first, like so. So I'm quite happy with this. I think it looks really nice. This is also a great way to utilize broken bits like I have. A lot of my Christmas decorations, they're like 21 years old. Some of them, unfortunately, we can't find them in the shops anymore. And obviously using them every year, unpacking, packing, displaying them, they do tend to break. And things like this, I just find this a good way to utilize them because they're so pretty. And it's always good to know that you can utilize them elsewhere. This is not just for Christmas. The past season, fall, a tray like this will look beautiful with some pumpkins and some foliage. It would look fantastic as well. So that's why I like trays, because you can just change it throughout the year according with the seasons. So this is the tray for Christmas table centerpiece this year. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate every single one of you. Please do engage. If there's any questions you have, anything you would like me to try and have a go, please let me know, and I will do my best to do it. Please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like the video. It's very important for me. And I will be doing a house decoration video in the next couple of days, and I have one more little project that I want to share with you that I will be doing in the next few days as well. So is all for now. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.